Pan ydyn ni y band Gwerin o Wrexham.
We are a multicultural fusion band that mixes Arabic and Welsh, and sometimes we do some songs from Eastern Europe as well.
We've been playing Welsh dance tunes with Arabic rhythms, and that goes really well. And yeah, introducing some of the Arabic scale notes into the Welsh song works really well. I play fiddle, I also play bagpipes. We have Yasmin who sings in Arabic, in English and in Welsh. And we have John playing percussion. We have Ruben on bass.
We play the notes that Yasmin wants us to play. We play them at the time that she wants us to do it.
But you don't know, do you?
No, I don't. I just make it up.
I try and bring as much of the Welsh music repertoire to the band as I can. Yeah, we aim to blend culture and music. It goes together quite well.
Been doing this for several years now, so I'm starting to get used to it, but actually it's a completely alien environment to me. I'm a drum kit player, have been for all my life, and this has been fascinating because I'm learning new rhythms, a new type of instrument. This is a darbuka, and it's a completely different thing and different style, so I'm having lessons, so I'm learning things as well. It's fascinating, endlessly fascinating.
We're in Revive Records in Wrexham, and they sell local records from local bands.
I think for me it's really about getting those songs across to people, because a lot of people wouldn't have heard them before, even though they're really famous folk songs from the Middle East. So it's about showing positive representation of like-my cultures, because there's a huge wealth of positivity there. And then when people join in and when they start dancing, it's that communication between us and the audience. And it's even better if somebody's there that knows the songs, because that happens sometimes as well. So it's just really nice to see different people coming together over something that they might not have heard before, or they have heard but not in that context. I played one chord.
What chord did you play?
I can see mine.